In this video, we will learn how to make a welding butt joint. The type of welding we use is a SMAW, or a shielded metal arc welding, where the metal component is connected to the earth clamp, in which heat for welding is produced through an electric arc setup between a flux-coated electrode and the workpiece. This type of joints is commonly employed in welding fabric pipes that have the same thickness. After it is being welded, use a chipping hammer to remove the slab by striking. I hope you learned and you like my video. Thanks for watching.